Hello students, hope you're doing well and fine. So today we are going to start the exercise, that is 10.1. So in the first question we have to find the perimeter. Certain figures are given there. So I have drawn two figures. So how to find the perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the length of all the sides. Sum means plus. We have to add all the numbers in a given side. So 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. And the final answer, just add all the numbers, you will get 12 centimeter. Okay. Same way, this one, 35 plus 23 plus 35 plus 40. So you will get 133 centimeter. Okay. So this is the first question. C, D, E, F is homework for you. Okay. So just you have to add all the numbers and write the answers. Okay. Figure not necessary. If you want to make it figure, you can make it. Otherwise, you can write the answer directly. There's no problem in that. Okay. So just go through it. C, D, E, F is homework, and rest perimeter is equal to sum of the length of all the sides. You have to write it and you have to add all the numbers. Okay. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 2. I am just reading the question. A lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all around with tape. As I told you in the previous video, all around, round, surround, this kind of word will come in the question. So we have to find the perimeter. Okay, in this question also, we have to find the perimeter. So what is the length of tape required? Okay, length of tape we have to find out. So the length of a lid of a rectangular box is given 40 centimeter. Breadth of a rectangular box is given 10 centimeter here. Now, since the lid of a rectangular box is sealed all around, okay, I have just underlined here, all around with tape. So length of a tape required, that we have to find out. So since this word, because of this word, what you have to find out? You have to find the perimeter of rectangular box. So perimeter of a rectangular box, 2 into L plus B is the formula. So what you have to do is, in the place of L, just write 40 centimeter, that is length, and in place of B, just write 10 centimeter, that is 10. Okay, so B, so 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 into 2 is 100 centimeter. So length of a tape required is 100 centimeter. The question is very easy. Because of this word, we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter, the formula is 2 into L plus B. 2 into 40 plus 10, that is 100. Okay, so therefore the length of tape required is 100. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay. Okay, now come to question number 3. So I just reading the question. So tabletop measures 2 meter, 25 centimeter by 1 meter, 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of a tabletop? So in this question directly it is asking about the perimeter. So what you have to do is, first, if you see the measurement, one is in meter, another is in centimeter. Okay, so we are going to convert this centimeter into meter. Just what you have to do, just divide by 100. Only this 25. So the final answer will be 2.25 meter. So the length of a tabletop is 2.25 meter. Come to the breadth. Same problem is here also. 50 is in centimeter, 1 is in meter. So 50 by 100, that is 1.50 meter. So breadth is 1.50 meter. So we have to find the perimeter of a tabletop. Okay. Find the perimeter of tabletop. The formula is 2 into L plus B. So this 2.25 plus 1.50, you have to add it and multiply by 2. So you will get 7.50 meter. Okay. So hence complete the solution. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 4. I'm just reading the question. So what is the length of a wooden strip is required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? Or just for a rough figure, I have just drawn a photo frame. So it is asking about this strip, how much this strip is required. Okay, so here this question number 4 is homework for you. So what you have to do is, first you have to find out the strip, how much wooden strip is required. So for finding this whole strip, we have to find out the perimeter here. Okay, so for finding the perimeter, so length is given, that is 32 centimeter, breadth is given, that is 21 centimeter. So wooden strip is required, that we have to find out. So the perimeter of the frame, this is the frame. Okay, so perimeter of the frame we have to find out. So 2 into L plus B. So where 2, this is 32 length plus 21 is the breadth. Add this 2, multiply with 2 and get the answer. Okay, so this is all about this question. Hope this frame is clear to you. This is the frame, photo frame, and this is the wooden strip required. Okay, so wooden strip is required from all the sides. That's why we are finding the perimeter in this question. So, okay, what you have to do is 2 into 32 plus 21, add this number, multiply it by 2. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Do this question as a homework. Okay, so question 4 is homework for you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 5. So I'm just reading the question. A rectangular piece of land is given whose length is 0.5 kilometer by 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced. The word fenced came, so here we have to find the perimeter. And fencing is to be done with the four rows of wire. So what is the length of the wire needed? This we have to find out. So here the length is given 0.7 kilometers, breadth is given 0.5 kilometer. Okay, so since each side to be fenced, because of this word fencing is coming with the 4 rows of wire, so we have to find the perimeter. Okay, because of that word. So total length of the wire is, how much wire is needed, that we have to find out. So perimeter of a rectangular land, that is 2 into L plus B. Okay, because of this fencing we are finding the perimeter. So 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 0.7 plus 0.5 kilometer. So when you add it and multiply, you will get 2.4 kilometer. So this is the perimeter. 2.4 kilometer is the perimeter, and this rectangular piece of land is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. So what you have to do is this 2.4. Okay, this 2.4 you have to multiply with 4. Okay, total length of wire needed is 4 into 2.4, that is 9.6. Okay, in the last, just multiply 4 into 2.4, so you will get 9.6 kilometer. Okay, so in this video, up to this question number 5, we have going to do in this video. Rest of the question we will continue in the next video. Hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, just drop your message in Campus Clear. Okay, thank you. Just go through it.